Hello my dear students and friends. My name is Naren Sharma and I welcome you on my YouTube channel English Master. My dear friends, today's topic is going to be very interesting and useful for you as we are going to discuss about the modal auxiliary verb can and could. What happens? N number of times we have learned can and could, but when you want to speak these auxiliary verb in English speaking sentences, you feel unable to speak them. Hence, in today's video, we'll cover these modal auxiliary verb, and I believe after watching this complete video, you would be able to utilize these modal auxiliary verbs in your English speaking and daily sentences. So, let's begin. My dear students, can. The meaning of can in Hindi is sakta hai. It shows ability of human being. It provides potential to complete or perform any task. Can formula is this. In this formula, you have to fit these sentences. It is very easy to speak. In our daily routine, n number of work we do. In the n number of work, we can utilize can. Take an example like I can speak French. I can speak French. I can drive car. I can lift 100 kg of weight. It is very easy. Just think. If you're thinking video is going little fast, pause and then understand and then again start. Right? So can is very useful in our daily life. You can ask to your parents, Father, can you bring ice cream for me from market? You can ask to your mother, Mom, can you cook macaroni for me? You can ask your sister, Sister, can you bring a glass of water for me? Or if someone asking to you, can you complete my homework? Yes, I can complete. In same manner, if you would write down the can in English grammar, that is also useful. From 5th to 10th level grammar, generally examinations ask the modal verbs can and could. So, the use of can is very easy. Can is the word that works according to your ability. If you are going to enter in a room forcefully, you can ask, can I come in? Because it is showing your ability. But if you are seeking permission, that the other word would be placed instead of can. So, can utilization in our daily life is very, very easy. My dear students, in our school life, we also utilize can at various places. You can ask your friend, can I take your book? Can you move a bit? Can I take your pencil? Or you can ask to your friends as well. Friend, can you wait for me for 5 minutes? So, in such manner, in such a way, you can utilize can in your daily general English speaking. In the same manner, you can also utilize could. Could is the past form of can. It shows the ability conducted or the work conducted in the past. Else, you can say or you can retort to the concerned person, I could not complete your work yesterday. I could not sleep last night. It is very easy to use can or could. So, write down can and could, make a proper notes, because on regular basis we would provide you new grammar, new uses, so that you can use them in your general life and day-to-day practice make you able to speak English. So, here I am teaching you the n number of uses, but it is your responsibility as well to practice at home, right? So start practicing from now onward and utilize can and could as well at home. Like, can I go to temple, mom? You can also ask your father, Papa, can you buy bananas for me from market? Or else, you can also retort to your Papa, yes Papa, I can switch on TV. I can help you. If you are asking a question, put can first. If you are giving answer, put can after the subject. The structure would be like this. So, in the same manner, could would be, the could utilization would be in past, but it shows also potential in the past time, as earlier I have discussed. The structure would be like this. You have to follow the same and make at least 10 sentences and practice. So, I hope so. You have understood the concept of can and could in today's video. But before ending, I would also suggest you, if you still not subscribe our YouTube channel English Master, please subscribe it and share, so that on regular basis we would upload 2-3 videos for you. If you have subscribed, also press bell icon so that instantly you will get notifications, so that videos would not be skipped. So my dear friends, please like and comment in today's video, so that going further we can make the videos according to your needs and according to your choice. Once again, I would tell you, this is can and could, very easy. Practice at home, at least 10 sentences of each, and you would be able to speak these words very easily, very frequently. So best of luck for further till next videos. Very soon we would upload 2 videos for you every day. At least 2 videos you will get on our channel English Master. So for today's it would be enough. Thank you. Have a nice day.